It's always an exciting day when I find this in the mailbox. That's right, your creative studio for the month of November. I see a stag. I'm going to pull out the contents in the tissue paper. I think this... Ooh, I love the coloring on... Wait, is that going to focus? There we go. Handsome fellow there. That is the card. Oops, I tore the tissue paper. And we'll leave the tissue paper there and just see. First, I see some beautiful ferns. Let me grab something to show them off. Looks like clear stickers. There's some... What is that? I'll leave this here in case I need it again. And some deer... Oh, this looks like a bookmark. That's cool. I bet it's magnetic. And then the antlers stick up over it. That's a new item that I haven't received before. These are sticky notes with I am not well versed on my deer kinds, so maybe I'll just call him deer. It could be an elk, it could be a caribou. I know there are different kinds, but I couldn't tell you. So there's lots of those sheets. Then we have washi here. And some stamps. I'm going to set the stamps aside and go into the washi. And then get this open. Beautiful colors. Oops. Don't roll. See that? And I think it goes even further. There's just different variety of deer. I really like this one right here. Can you see the... He's off my paper. I'm going to set that down. Okay, I can't wait any longer for the stamps. Let's have a look. And then I can go ahead and stamp them out. Uh-oh, they're tiny! Okay. I feel like there's a few of them in here. Oh my goodness, I love tiny things. Okay, where's my white paper? Let me just pull the washi off. There are 4 tiny deer stamps in here. Looks like we got 4 with antler, or 3 with antlers, excuse me, and 1 little baby. And then there's a large pouch, and then this smaller one, which feels like it has another cling stamp. But something a little larger than those. Oh, whoa, that is... was not expecting that. That's what that is. And what's in this one? This one is interesting. His face looks like a gazelle or something. I have no idea what kind of animal or what kind of deer this is, but... There, he looks a little more natural. Alright, popping in here with the stamped out cling stamps that always stamp beautifully. These rubber stamp ones I've stamped in the VersaFine pigment ink. These are the 4 small ones, the lady one, and this one. Let's see, vintage, original stickers. Interesting. This is like a matchbox. And, whoops, I dropped that. Are they all different? Now there's a couple. Maybe 3 of each kind. Yep. Let's see if we can get a little closer. That one's very colorful. What is that? A lady's cape. Ooh, I like that. Transportation ticket for Walt Disney World. That's kind of cool. Railroads. I saw this one on the image on the box. That's cute. And oh look, this looks familiar. I think there was something very similar to this in previous box. It wasn't a sticker though. These I think are stickers. That one, yep, definitely a sticker. Santa Fe. Oh, I like the skirts. I see some purple. I like that graphic. That just is transport department ticket. Another Disneyland one. Cool. I think I saw another Disneyland one behind, and then this guy. Oh, no, that's not Disneyland. Something else. Alright, let's scoot those over. We have some more postage stamps. These are very similar, but I love postage stamps. They're not actual stamps, they're stickers. I love that. And again, look at that cute. This packaging is totally usable in a journal. I love that cat. So we have some cute swans. This guy's kind of creepy, but really intense. The owl, I like that guy. Peacock. They're sticking. Oh, penguins! Oh my goodness. I am gonna hoard this one. I love penguins. And a cute squirrel. He's adorable. Oh, cats too. Ooh, love cats. So, even though we've had similar items in the past, I can use these. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at those penguins. Will you focus, camera? Come on. Those are just beautiful. I imagine that they're fashioned after real postage stamps. I couldn't tell you for sure though, but that's my guess. Christmas Island there. Look at that guy. I think he's a bobcat maybe? A lynx? I'm not sure. Some more swans. I haven't seen a single stamp that I don't just love so far. Oh, look at these more penguins. Oops, I'm gonna drop that. Okay, so loving the postage stamp stickers. What do we have here? Tags. These are beautiful. The color is just beautiful on these. I'm gonna pull out one. Looks like and it's a pretty sturdy material, so this would easily go in a journal. Pop that guy out right there. Whoops, I tore it, but you know what, that's okay. So look at the detail in there. It's beautiful. Lovely for wilderness theme. More stickers here. These look like washi stickers. Like almost a watercolor look washi sticker. I bought some. Did I buy some similar? Yeah, I think I had something similar once, but so where's my white paper? Little clover. Then we have some plants. Oops, make sure I'm in frame. More plants. Basket, greenery, pretty versatile. Ooh, I like those ones. And then some peachy, natural colored ones. Let's scoot that there. Then we have these stickers, which have some color. They're kind of a translucent almost, but they're not see-through. So they'll show some color through. Those are beautiful, but they really, I think they would go really well on a light background because they have some lovely colors of their own. Now these look like vellum, printed vellum. So again, translucent, but you're going to really see it with a nice white or opaque background. I've got a green one there. This one has a vintage look with some creatures here, some antlered creatures. Oh, that one's got a pretty subtle blue pattern there, and it kind of fades out, and it's got a little bit of a green down there. Let's see, you can't tell which side's which on this. This one has a very light floral, kind of a yellow. And then finally, we have another stag here. And last but not least, of course, is this note cards. That looks like a 200, so I'm guessing that there's 200 of these, and it looks like there's 4, so maybe 50 of each pattern. So we've got a really versatile, oh, it's very tight. Oh, I see, it's glued on top there, so, well, I'm going to take this little belly band off so that we can see them. That one there. Then on to the next one. Nice polka dot there. Then we have this border, like a lovely label paper there. And finally, ooh, very versatile lined paper there. Alright, that is the box contents. I hope you enjoy having a look. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye!